I am the tactical nerd, and today I got a little bit of something that is relatively new that I can review here, and here it is. This is the Nerf Elite Shellstrike DS-6. So this is the little blaster that I've been waiting for so much. It is the little brother of the trilogy. I think everyone should know the trilogy. But this is the Shellstrike. It's the pistol, and it takes the same shells as the trilogy, and it has an opening breech. So we will get to unbox it and see it here. So it comes with 6 elite darts, ages 8+. Let's see here. Let's see what it says. So 6 elite darts, 2 shells, and it says it's a break open breech, which I really like the breech, and you can put the shells in. Like, that is a very good design there. Use the only official Nerf darts, and then right here you can get the refill pack with this shell stuff here, with these new shells. So we're gonna open this blaster up, and we're gonna look through, and we're gonna review it. So let's unbox it here. There she is. This is the blaster right here. I love this trigger guard here and this hand guard. This is like, that's nice. Look at that. Like, that feels comfortable in my hand. There is no messing around with that grip. So here's the blaster. It has 2 spots that you can store shells, which is weird because it'll only come with 2 shells, but you can hold in 3 shells. Is weird. So this little button on the side here is what opens the breech, so you can get with your things. It is only on this left side, so if you're left-handed, it might be a little hard for you. You might have to move your thumb over, but it's like that. So we'll take this shell out here. And I noticed, I don't know, oh, here it is. Here's the instructions. If anyone needs instructions. So, move this out of the way. We don't need this no more. So this is what you get in this package. You get the blaster, you get 2 shells, you get the instructions, and you get 6 elite darts. And this is actually, I like this because these here, you can get 3 of these shells with a little holder for, I think it's like 10 bucks. They kind of fall out of the holder, but it's there. It's a good idea. And that holder, I don't have one, but it could slide down here on this bottom rail that's down here. So what I really like about this blaster is the price. This is a $15 blaster for what it is. It's crazy. It seems like Hasbro wants to stay in that $10–15 range with a lot of their blasters, which is good. So let's pop our shells in here. So the shells fit down here like that. These are actually these are big shells. They're bigger shells. They're nice. So you could, if you had like a sludge fire, these shells would not fit in a sludge fire. They're a little bigger. So throw the darts in. Go. Okay, there we go. Our shells are loaded. This fit. Yeah, you could put it in that way if you want to, but it's a little hard. It's a little harder to pull out that way. Pull out the shells. This way it makes it a little easier. But here's the problem with that now. If you don't have them, there's a little thing back there that holds them in. It feels like a little clicker. It's a rubber piece. If you don't push it all the way back on the rubber piece, your shells could fall out. So make sure that's all the way back, that your shell is all the way back there. So if this shell is loaded up, we're going to open our breech with this little button. Going to put the shell in, make sure it clicks, and then you have to manually push that down, and then this here is your little prime bar. Saw something like this, I think it was on one of the Star Wars blasters where it had a prime like this. It's primed, you shoot it. It's actually really good, I like that. And then you can dump, I think you have to push the, yeah, it's a little, don't just slide out. Probably something I could do to make them slide out easier. That's okay, I don't want to mess with it right now. Maybe the camera can shoot your door. That's really good, actually. Alright, so here is the firing test for the Shellstrike. Sorry my lighting is a little bad, but you know, it's the Shellstrike. So I have these shells. I have shells that are loaded. These ones right now are loaded with Elite darts, and then the next test will be with the Adventure Force green waffle darts. So we're going to shoot the Elites first. This blaster shoots out 3 darts at once. So let's shoot here. Aim at that door over there. That's actually not bad at all. Thought it would be worse than that. That's actually not, I actually like it. This actually might be a decent HVZ blaster, or a decent secondary shooting in. Wow, I actually kind of like this blaster. Not flipping, but I might go and fix that flipping. So, okay, load this up. Okay, now we are going to be shooting Adventure Force waffle darts. Here we go. Aim for that door. Wow. The spread on the waffle darts. Spread on the waffle. That's actually amazing. Good blast. Get another shell in. There we go. That's actually amazing. I'm kind of surprised. So, I really like this blaster. There's one thing I want to test. I wonder if I can get one dart to shoot at this one dart out of the shell, and I'm gonna load it from the front. I'm not even gonna take the shell out. If you just want to have a 3-shot pistol, and you don't want to be able to mess with these mechanisms or nothing, you can just load your darts into the front of the blaster like this. Yes. And you put it in the front of the blaster, and you only have to take the shells out, because if you're inexperienced with stuff like these shells and stuff like I am, it might take a lot to get used to these shells. So if you don't want to worry about that, you just want to keep one shell in the blaster at all times, you just have to put 3 darts in the front, and then you can pull it and you can shoot it. And then we're going to keep the shell in there, but we're going to put 1 dart here at the bottom. And we'll try it. That's actually really good. If you just wanted to use this like this, like with 1 shot, it's an actually good blaster. My thoughts on this blaster: for a $15 blaster, this is really good. I like this blaster. Like, there is honestly a potential behind this blaster. There's so many things that you could do with this. Like, Welcome, he did a master key on it where he made a undersling master key that he could shoot the shells out of, which was really cool. Or you could make, I think there was 3D printed holes, and there's also these shells. You can print different shells that you could shoot rival rounds or mega darts or just single darts. There's so many things you could do with that. And this blaster for $15, I mean, it's a good blaster. Like the grip might be just a little small, but fits good for my hands. It's alright for me. The only really problem I have with this blaster, it could take, like, I probably could fix it, is when you open it and you go to dump it like this, because I was doing that a lot, thinking the shells would fall out, but they don't fall out. You have to push. There's like a certain way you have to like hold it and push it like this to get it out, because when I push it like this, the whole thing goes forward. So you kind of like that, which kind of gets annoying, but you can get used to it. Like, you could get used to that. Like, it's pretty easy. It's a solid blaster. Like, no noises from it or nothing. Good plastic. Like, I love this blaster. I bet if you put like any like spring mods or anything in this, you'd probably modify this to be an absolute destroyer on the battlefield. You like, this could be a good, like, if you needed a secondary for HVZ, I like this blaster. And you could load the shells in. You just keep putting the shells in, or you can just keep one shell in and you just keep loading it from the front, and then you can have your other shells loaded just for a backup. But so I love this blaster. If you want to pick this blaster, if you want to get a blaster like this, I will have the link down in the description to Amazon, where you can buy your very own Nerf Elite Shellstrike. So this is the blaster here. I am the Tactical Nerd. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and I will see you all guys next time. See you later.